Hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. Hello everybody, hello. In the last video, we learned 4 new vocabulary words, right? Yes, we did. From the story called Class Picture Day. Yeah. So now guys, let's review the 4 vocabulary words. Are you guys ready? Say ready. Okay, here we go. The first vocabulary word is, yes, photographer. Let's say it 3 times. Photographer, photographer, photographer. Very good. The second word, yes, tongue. Let's say it 3 times. Tongue, tongue, tongue. Very good. The third word, yes, that's right. Bus driver. Let's say it 3 times. Bus driver, bus driver, bus driver. Very good. Okay, the final and 4th word is book bag. Here we go. Book bag, book bag, book bag. All right, yeah, amazing. We just reviewed the vocabulary words together. Wow, you guys are smart. Oh my God. Yeah, you are getting smarter every day. Yes, you are. Say this to yourself. I am smart. I can do anything. All right, amazing. All right, guys. So now we are going to put the 4 vocabulary words in our sentence patterns. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. All right, everyone. The first sentence pattern word is, that's right, photographer. Here we go. What can a photographer do? A photographer can take pictures. Yeah, a photographer can take pictures. Very awesome, great pictures. Yes. Amazing. Okay, the next sentence pattern word is, yes, tongue. Here we go. What can your tongue do? My tongue can taste food. Yes, your tongue can taste food. Yeah, my tongue can taste food. Isn't it great to have a tongue? Yeah, because we can taste ice cream, chicken, corn. Yeah, lots of food we can taste with our tongue. Okay, the next sentence pattern word is, yes, that's right, bus driver. Here we go. What can a bus driver do? A bus driver can drive a bus. Yes, a bus driver can drive a bus. A bus driver takes me to work every day. I like to take the bus. Yes, I do. Okay, the final sentence pattern word is, that's right, school bag. Yes, that's right. Here we go. What can you put in your book bag? I can put books in my book bag. Yeah, you can put books, pencils, erasers. You can put many things in your book bag. Yes, you can. All right, everyone. Yeah, great job. We just learned our new sentence patterns. Yes. High five, everybody. Amazing. Oh, we are getting smart every day, right? Yes, we are. So now, guys, you can share what you learned from me, Teacher Shane, with your family. Yes, you can. Thank you guys so much for looking at my video. And I will see you again next time, okay? Bye-bye.